Imagine waking up one morning, opening your email, and realizing someone just drained your bank account overnight. No break-in, no robbery. Just a few clicks. That's how online scams catch millions of people every year. And here's the scary part. Many victims never see their money again. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the most common online scams, how they trick people, and what you can do to stay safe. And stick with me, because near the end I'll reveal a scam so sneaky that even smart, cautious people fall for it without realizing until it's too late. Number 1. The classic phishing scam. This is one of the oldest and still the most dangerous scams online. Phishing is when scammers pretend to be a trusted company, like your bank, PayPal, or Amazon, and send you an email or text that looks real. The message usually says something like, "Your account has been locked," or "We detected suspicious activity." The goal is to make you panic and click a link. That link takes you to a fake website that looks identical to the real one, and the moment you type your login details, boom, they've got you. Example: a woman in Texas received what looked like an email from her bank saying her debit card had been frozen. She quickly entered her details to unlock it, only to find that scammers had emptied her checking account within hours. Here's the trick to spot phishing. Real companies almost never ask you to confirm personal information through a link in an email. If you ever get a message like that, go directly to the company's official website by typing it into your browser yourself. Number 2. Fake online shopping deals. Who doesn't love a good deal? Scammers know this and use it to trap people with online stores that sell fake products or nothing at all. You see a Facebook ad for an unbelievable price on shoes or electronics. You click, pay, and either receive a poor quality knockoff or nothing arrives. By the time you realize, the website is gone. Example: during the holiday season, thousands of people ordered PlayStations from a website offering them for half the regular price. The site disappeared a week later, and no one received a single console. Always check reviews. Look for a padlock symbol in the website address bar, and remember, if the deal looks too good to be true, it usually is. Number 3. The tech support pop-up. You're browsing online, suddenly a warning flashes on your screen saying, "Your computer is infected. Call Microsoft immediately." The pop-up makes loud beeping noises, and you panic. Scammers want you to call the number. On the call, they pretend to be tech support, ask to fix your computer remotely, and then either install malware or demand hundreds of dollars for useless services. Example: a retiree in Florida lost $800 after calling one of these fake numbers. The scammers installed ransomware on his laptop, locking him out until he paid up. Here's how to protect yourself. Real tech companies don't send random pop-ups. If you see one, close the browser window, restart your device, and never call the number on the screen. Number 4. Romance and dating scams. Scammers prey on emotions, and romance scams are proof. They create fake profiles on dating apps or social media, quickly build a relationship with someone, and then ask for money. They may claim they need money for a plane ticket to visit you or for a medical emergency. Victims often feel ashamed, but these scams are extremely common. Example: the FBI reported that in just 1 year, Americans lost over $500 million to romance scams. One woman thought she was helping her long-distance boyfriend cover hospital bills. She later found out the man didn't exist. If someone you've never met in person asks you for money, especially through gift cards or wire transfers, it's almost always a scam. Number 5. Lottery and prize scams. You get an email saying you've won a huge prize, maybe a vacation or even millions of dollars. But here's the catch. To claim it, you need to pay a processing fee or provide your banking details. No legitimate lottery asks winners to pay up front. Example: a man in California received a letter saying he had won the UK lottery, even though he never entered. He wired over $2,000 in taxes before realizing it was a scam. Remember this: if you didn't enter a contest, you didn't win one. Number 6. Job and work-from-home scams. Scammers know many people are looking for extra income. They post fake job listings promising easy money from home. The catch: they often ask you to buy a starter kit or send money for training. Some even trick you into laundering money without realizing it. Example: a single mom thought she had found a remote data entry job. The company asked her to pay $150 for software. Once she sent it, the company disappeared. A real job pays you. It doesn't make you pay first. Number 7. Fake investment opportunities. This is where scammers promise high returns with little or no risk. They may push crypto schemes, fake trading platforms, or pyramid schemes. They often show fake testimonials or even pay you small returns in the beginning to gain your trust before disappearing with everything. Example: a young man invested $1,000 into a crypto mining website that promised double returns in a month. He even got $100 back at first. But when he invested more, the website shut down, taking all his savings. If someone guarantees fast and huge profits, it's a red flag. Real investments carry risk, and no one can promise you'll always win. Number 8. Fake charity scams. Tragedies and disasters bring out kindness in people. Scammers exploit this by setting up fake charities after natural disasters or during crises. They pressure you to donate quickly. Sadly, the money never reaches the people who actually need it. Example: after a major hurricane, scammers made fake websites pretending to collect donations for victims. Many generous people gave, but the funds went straight into scammer bank accounts. Before donating, always check if the charity is registered on official sites like Charity Navigator or the IRS database. Number 9. Subscription traps. You see an ad offering a free trial for skincare products, diet pills, or streaming services. You sign up, only to find your credit card is being charged monthly for a subscription you never agreed to. Scammers bury the real terms in fine print. Example: a man signed up for a free trial of vitamins online. Months later, he discovered he had been charged $80 every month. Canceling was nearly impossible. Always read the fine print, and if a site asks for your credit card for a free trial, be cautious. Number 10. The sneaky account takeover. This is the scam I warned you about earlier. Even careful people can get caught. Hackers don't just target your bank. They go after your email or social media accounts first. Why? Because once they control your email, they can reset all your other passwords and lock you out of everything. From there, they drain your accounts, impersonate you, and trick your friends too. Example: a college student had his Gmail hacked. The scammer used it to reset his PayPal, Venmo, and bank passwords. By the time he realized, thousands were gone, and his friends had been tricked into sending money as well. This is why two-factor authentication is critical. Even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without that extra code sent to your phone. Number 11. QR code scams. With more businesses using QR codes for menus and payments, scammers have found a sneaky way in. They place fake QR code stickers over real ones. When you scan it, instead of paying the restaurant, your money goes straight to the scammer. Example: in one city, scammers replaced parking meter QR codes with their own. Drivers thought they were paying for parking, but were actually sending money into scammer accounts. Always double-check that QR codes look official and, if possible, use the business's official app instead. Number 12. Delivery notification scams. You get a text or email saying your package couldn't be delivered. Click here to reschedule. It looks like it's from UPS, FedEx, or USPS, but the link leads to a fake site that steals your payment info. Example: during the holiday rush, scammers sent fake USPS texts to thousands of people, tricking them into paying small redelivery fees. Many ended up with stolen credit card details. Real delivery companies rarely send links through random texts. Always track your packages using the official website or app. Number 13. Streaming service scams. Streaming is huge, and scammers know people don't want to miss out on shows. Fake emails claim your Netflix or Hulu account has been suspended and you need to re-enter payment info. But once you do, scammers have your card details. Example: a family in New York received a fake Netflix email. The link took them to a copycat site that stole their login and card information. By the next day, hundreds of dollars had been spent online using their card. If your subscription really has an issue, You'll see a message when you log in directly through the official app. Number 14. Social media impersonation. Scammers create fake accounts, pretending to be celebrities, influencers, or even your friends. They message you with investment offers, giveaways, or emergency requests for money. Because the account looks familiar, people often fall for it. Example: a woman got a message from what she thought was her cousin asking for quick help with rent. She sent money, only to find out later her cousin never sent the message. If you get unexpected money requests online, always confirm with the person through a phone call or in person. Number 15. Fake rental listings. Scammers post apartments or houses for rent at amazing prices. They ask you to send a deposit quickly to secure the place. But when you show up, the property either doesn't exist or isn't theirs to rent. Example: a college student sent $1,200 as a deposit for a dream apartment. When she arrived with her bags, the landlord on site had no idea what she was talking about. The scammer had stolen the listing photos from another website. Always visit the property in person and never send money before signing a verified lease. Number 16. Fake loan offers. These scams target people who need quick cash. You see ads offering guaranteed loans with no credit check. All you need to do is pay an upfront fee for processing. But after paying, the loan never comes. Example: a man in Ohio paid $500 in fees for a personal loan he was promised. The scammers vanished, leaving him with less money and no loan. Legitimate lenders don't ask for large upfront payments before giving you money. Number 17. Online ticket scams. Concert and event tickets sell fast, so scammers take advantage by selling fake tickets through social media or shady websites. People pay, excited to go, only to find the tickets don't scan at the gate. Example: a group of friends bought what they thought were Taylor Swift tickets online. They paid over $1,000 but were turned away at the concert because the tickets were duplicates. Always buy tickets directly from official sources or trusted resale platforms. Number 18. Health and wellness scams. Scammers prey on people's desire to lose weight, gain muscle, or cure health issues. They sell miracle pills, teas, or treatments that don't work. Not only do you lose money, but some of these products can even be dangerous. Example: during the pandemic, fake websites sold vitamins claiming to prevent COVID. People wasted hundreds of dollars, and none of it was real medicine. When it comes to your health, always consult a doctor or trusted source before buying products online. Number 19. Wi-Fi hotspot scams. You're at an airport or cafe and see a free Wi-Fi network with a name like Airport Free Wi-Fi. You connect without thinking. But in reality, scammers set it up to spy on your data and steal your logins. Example: travelers in Europe reported that their banking details were stolen after using fake Wi-Fi hotspots that looked official. If you must use public Wi-Fi, never log into sensitive accounts, and consider using a VPN for safety. Number 20. Online survey scams. Everyone loves the idea of getting paid for answering a few questions. Scammers set up fake survey sites that promise rewards like gift cards or cash. But before you can claim the reward, they ask for personal details or a small payment. Example: a teenager signed up for an online survey promising a $50 gift card. Instead, he ended up giving away his social security number, which scammers later used to try opening credit accounts. Legit surveys might pay small amounts, but they never ask for sensitive details or money up front. So what can you do overall? Always slow down before clicking. Scammers want you to act in panic or excitement. That's their weapon. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Use strong, unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. And most importantly, stay informed. Because scammers never stop coming up with new tricks. The truth is, online scams aren't going away anytime soon. But the more you know, the harder it becomes for them to fool you. Now I want to hear from you. Have you or someone you know ever come close to falling for one of these scams? What happened?